Hello friend, my name is Jaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearner. In this video we see how we can style our anchor tag with the help of CSS, and we can also see how we can create a button with the help of anchor tag. Without further delay, let's start. www, which means World Wide Web, and it is a web page where the information is stored, and we can visit a web page with the help of link. Okay, and this link is connected in HTML with the help of anchor tag. We cannot create a tag in CSS, that's why we use anchor tag in HTML and style in CSS. Okay, and we have four state of a link. First is unvisited, which is link, then visited, and after that we can give hover effect, and then we provide the active, which means if we are currently this is a link and we are holding this link, then it change the color, appearance and size. We can do with the help of active, and if we hovering this and it change appearance, then it is hovering effect. And visited, if you click the link and you visit, then come back, the appearance of the link is changed. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, first of all I provide break, because it is a inline tag, that's why I provide break. I'll show you without break how it look like. For example, okay, https://google.com, and here provide Google. Okay, now saving this, you can see the color is blue by default. Let's change the color. A colon link, and color should be red. Let's save. Let's see the color. You see the color, and provide the A colon visited. Okay, then change the color colon green. Saving this, let's visit first. This is our Google link, and you see the change. And after that, I provide the hovering effect. A colon hover. Change the color, because it is easy to define color, that's why I provide color. If you want to do other thing, you can do. Okay, for example, changing the size, width, and the change, you provide the box also. Let's see, you can see the change. And after that we have active. Orange. Say, okay, for active you have to hold the link, then it will appear. Okay, now if you provide link and you just, for example, I provide link and first I visit, then provide the link, then it is by default visited, then its color automatically change with the visited color. Okay, so make sure that you did not visit the site you providing. Okay, now I create a, first I remove this, and I create BroLearners channel link. For example, Bro. Okay, then specify the link which I copied here. Pasting. Let's say it is by default purple, or you can say it is violet color, because I visited, that's why its color changed. Okay, now I specify a link, comma, a colon visited, because I don't want to change the color after visiting. That's why I provide link and visited as the same color. Background color F44336. It's by default oranges color. Then text color should be white, so it is visible. Then padding, I provide top bottom left right 25 px. Then text align should be center in our button, and after that text decoration should be none, because link, that link by default is underline, so that's why I display should be inline box, because inline block, sorry, block not box. And after that you see the change. We have not any hovering effect, that's why it's not changing any color or text. A colon hover, comma, a colon active. I don't want to provide separately, that's why I use same color. Okay, first change the background color green, sorry, green, not gray, green. Let's save it. Now you can see the change. Let's click the link. It's opening my channel. And if I provide target blank, which we already discussed in our HTML series, you can watch in here. I provide I button. Okay, let's see what happened. It is open in next tab. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.